Hi, this week's question is, can physical activity reduce the risk of breast cancer? Well, physical activity seems to reduce the risk of everything, but
Yes.
Mandy, does it help in reducing your risk of breast cancer?
It does. It helps in a couple ways. It helps reduce the amount of fat in your body, which we know produces estrogen, which is a risk factor for breast cancer. It also helps reduce stress, which we also know can increase cancer recurrence and help other cancers
How
develop.
about the repetitive trauma if you're a runner or something? Does that have anything to do? I think some women correlate trauma with breast cancer.
There's no relationship between trauma and breast cancer. I mean, I think that you hear stories about women who bump themselves and then feel a mass and the mass is cancer. I think it's an absolute coincidence that the trauma noted something.
Too. If somebody bumps their breast, they start to feel it and suddenly they feel a lump.
Trauma does not cause cancer, at least not in the breast.
And in terms of breast self-exam, despite the recommendations, what are yours?
Do it.
Do it. Absolutely do it.
Yeah, do it. It certainly, it may have saved
What's it going to hurt?
I think it did save my life, yeah.
As long as it doesn't create so much anxiety for the people. But again, know your breasts. You're going to know them better than any doctor, and you'll be able to tell whether there's something really different there. So really a pleasure meeting you. Want to wish you success for the rest of your life.
Thank you.
And your children, and just enjoy yourself. And hopefully this is almost over.
Thank you.
For you.
Thanks.
Thank you, Mandy, for coming on the show.
You're welcome. Thanks for having me.
If you have a question you'd like to ask on Health Talk, please contact me at healthtalk@norwalkhealth.org.